Today we are going to understand a very simple Pascal program to calculate the area of a rectangle. Let's go through this program line by line. This line number 1, program title. We are giving a name to our program as area of rectangle. This helps us identify what this program is about. Then VAR, length, width, area, integer. Here we are declaring the variables. We are use the keyword VAR to declare variables in Pascal. We have 3 variables: length, width and area. And we mention their data type as integer because we are using whole numbers. Then begin. This keyword marks the beginning of the main program. All the instructions we write will be inside begin and end. Then write ln, enter the length of the rectangle. Write ln displays a message on the screen. Then read ln is used to get input from the user and store it in the variable length. Then write ln, enter the width of the rectangle. Again, write ln shows the message and read ln stores the value entered by the user into the variable width. Then area equal length multiplied by width. This is the calculation part of the program. We calculate the area by multiplying length and width and store the result in the variable area. Then line number 13, this line displays the final result. It prints the text and then shows the calculated area. Then this marks the end of the program. The dot after end is very important in Pascal. Now let's run the program and see the result. Now click on this run button here. Now you can see the output. First, you have to enter the length of the rectangle. I press number 10 and press enter key. Again, enter the width of the rectangle, number 5, and press enter. Then area of the rectangle equal 50.